Let us see how you can download and install the QR app and then further scan the QR codes that you have issued to the customers. So click on this download QR app button here. It would take few minutes depending upon your internet speed for the app to get downloaded. And once it is downloaded, click on open and click on install this app. Because this app is not in the Play Store, it might ask you to manually approve the app install, so you can simply click on install without scanning. Once installed, click on open icon. Now click on the QR icon in below to scan a ticket. You need to allow for the camera usage. Kindly allow it. Now point it to the QR code and possibly touch it. It will fetch the ticket details, verify it and show you all the fields.